Struggling to find where to add a fax number in Xero? I will show you exactly where it is in 60 seconds. First, log into your Xero account. Then, follow these simple steps through the accounting settings to your organization details. It is hidden in plain sight, I promise. All right, go ahead and log into Xero. Use your usual email and password, or whatever single sign-on you have set up. Once your dashboard loads, you are ready for the next part. Now, look at the top menu bar. You will see a few tabs like Dashboard, Business, and Accounting. Click on Accounting. This is where all the behind-the-scenes setup for your business lives, which is exactly what we need right now. Once the accounting menu drops down, you will see a list of options. Look for the one that says Accounting Settings. Go ahead and click that. This takes you to the main control panel for your invoices, taxes, and your company details. So here is the really important part. In the Accounting Settings menu, you will see a list of categories on the left-hand side. You are looking for the one that says Organization Details. It is usually near the top. Click on that. This is your company profile page. Once that page loads, you will see a lot of fields. Your company name, address, maybe your logo. Do not get overwhelmed. Just start scrolling down until you reach the section labeled Contact Information. And now, click Save. That tiny button in the top right corner. Give it a second to process. And just like that, the fax number is now connected to your Xero account. It will show up on invoices and any other client documents moving forward. From being unable to find that tiny field to having it saved on your profile in less than a minute, you are officially a Xero organization expert now. Thanks for watching and happy invoicing!